I'm Damien Roy, and welcome on my Guitar Lesson YouTube channel. Today let's work on another AC/DC song for beginners, and we're going to work exclusively on the rhythm here. It's TNT. So please don't ever say that word when you're boarding on a plane. Not a good idea. So here, same thing, we're going to use a really cool crunchy distortion here. I'm playing on my Les Paul because I find it sounds better for playing some AC/DC. We'll be working on basically like 3-4 chord shapes, chords, and one type of chord shape, the power chord. So let's go on the first part, the verse here. So we're starting with the power E. And then we start with the rhythm here. So we're going to be playing on that power E. We're going to use pointer here, place it on string 5, fret 2. Let it ring. And after we start, we're going to need another chord here. We're going to need the, it's going to be a G5. You just need to use one finger here. So I would use my middle finger here so I don't have to repeat the same finger and work on the muscle memory, of course. So G5. Place my middle finger on string 6, fret 3. So here I'm muting string 5 and making ring that string 4. But you can also just play it. And then we're going to be playing on the A5 that we've previously seen in Highway to Hell. So here I'm going to place my pointer on string 4, fret 2, and I'll only be strumming on string 5 and 4. You can use your thumb to block string 6 if you want. So let's go for the rhythm here. And you can add all those muting notes here just to keep you in the rhythm here, and it's pretty cool. So we got the verse here, so E, G5, and A. So E, G, A, G, A, G, E, G, A. And then you're going to stay on that power A. Second part now, we're going to have the same chords for the chorus. That's what's so cool learning for beginners some AC/DC songs like TNT, because you just need like 3-4 easy chords, and they're like power chords, so there's no third in the chord here to play. So A, power A, G, E. So A, G, E. So A, G, E, and you see I'm just using 2 fingers to play here. And after you're going to go on G and A, and of course for fun you can bring back that pick scrape here. That's cool. And you can put it at the end of the to start over again, for example, if you're going back on the verse. Now the third part of rhythm here you have, and that's so cool in the song with so easy chords, it's that it makes you think like lighting a mesh here for a dynamite, for example, and progressively moving up to explode. And that's what they managed to put in music here with just some power chords. So it's the last part there of the song starts with power E. After going on a power F, so power F here, I'm going to use my pointer on string 6, fret 1, and my third finger on string 5, fret 3. Or you can use your pinky if you want, doesn't matter. And then you're going to keep on playing fret by fret till fret 19. Fret 2, so on F sharp. We're going to go after on G, After going on G sharp, A. After going on A sharp, B, C, C sharp. We're going after on D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, and then we finish on. So of course there's all the rhythm here, so you're going to be counting like 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So half notes here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're going on quarter notes, 1, 1, 1, 1, and after going on 8 notes here, and then the final is the explosion on the power E. So you just have to learn like, so power E chord, power G, power A, and then that power chord shape here, starting after with the F here, and you're just moving on fret by fret till fret 19. And then you got your cool song. You can already play with your friends in the band and rehearse all that. I hope you had fun working on this TNT lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my guitar lesson channel, please. It's very important. I see that there's more unsubscribed viewers watching my videos there, and you just have to click on the button. It's not going to cost you anything at all. So have fun with this video. Good practice.